Okay, welcome to the adventures of Bobby and Bobby. What I'm looking at here is the roof vent for the propane. Got two 30-pound tanks down there. And I believe when I took this to motor vehicle to register it in Florida, I drove through a tree and I kind of ripped it off. The roof is absolutely disgusting. Needs a cleaning. It doesn't leak, but it has a lot of mold and stuff. And since we're parked under trees, I really haven't done much to clean it up yet, but we will before we leave. Right now I'm going to pull that caulking off and see if this will fit. Of course, where the screws go. Okay, well, I will check back shortly. Okay, we're back again. The nothing ripped, tire globs, as you can see. But now I got to get all this excess off without ripping the membrane roof. Clean it up. Got some good sealant, and then screw it back down and seal it. Let's get this finished. I'll be back shortly. Okay, as you can see, I've gotten all that glop off of there. Okay, membrane is not ripped. I do see the screw holes. Somebody doesn't know how to cut a round hole. They had two screws to the side too. I'm not sure. I don't know. Never understood why they glob up this stuff like this all the time. Makes absolutely no sense. Why can't it be neat? But anyway, I will come back to you shortly with a solution and cleaned up. Okay, I finally have completed this thing. It is the most hideous repair I have ever done. It's almost embarrassing to look at it. But if you look over here, oh, there's a tiny little rip there. Definitely another project when we bring this in to renovate this whole thing again. But looking at that glob, looking at my glob, I don't know. It's got to be the sloppiest thing I've ever seen. But anyway, if I look around the roof, that's how they did every other one. So I don't know why you have to goop so much shit on it. Electrically, you never have to do this kind of stuff. Anyway, like and subscribe. And we've got an exhaust gas temperature gauge, actually, to put in the diesel tomorrow. But again, like and subscribe. Take care.